Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the 2 PCS Airfryer Accessories Airfryer Rack Set. If you're a fan of air frying, then you know how important it is to have the right accessories to maximize your cooking experience. This rack set is made of food-grade stainless steel, making it durable and heat-resistant. You can trust that it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees, so you can use it with confidence. What I love about this rack set is the double-layer design, allowing for more versatile air fryer recipes. You can maximize the heating surface of your food, and even use the skewers for shish kebab on the top layer while cooking other foods on the grate layer. And the best part? It's easy to clean. The high-quality stainless steel is non-stick and rust-resistant, making it dishwasher safe for a quick and hassle-free cleanup. Not only is this rack set durable and functional, but it's also designed with you in mind. The polished rack edge provides a smooth surface with no rough spots, so you can protect your hands while washing or holding it. Plus, the dense parallel lines prevent food from falling through, so you can cook with peace of mind. In addition to these amazing features, this rack set comes in a sleek silver color and is made of high-quality stainless steel. It includes one multi-purpose rack with skewers and one metal rack, giving you everything you need to take your air frying to the next level. So, if you're ready to elevate your air frying experience, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the 2 PCS Airfryer Accessories Airfryer Rack Set. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on all things cooking.